Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to go dark mode on X. Okay, so first of all, open X application on your phone and you want to go to your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu, let's scroll down to settings and privacy. Now, as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to open section that's called accessibility, display and languages. Now let's go to display and sound. Now in this page, find dark mode option. And finally, at the very top of your page, of your screen, you can see this option that says dark mode. So enable it and you will go dark mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.